Right, so we just watched that video of this guy getting really excited about hitting the 2 million mark when he spun the wheel. So we talked about why we think he's so excited, and one of those things is that how likely is it that he would have hit that 2 million mark? Like when you're playing those games, you think about how there's always a whole bunch of bad spaces, and there's like $5, $1, but he hit 2 million. And once he hit that, he got so excited. And the reason that he got super excited is because of the probability of hitting that 2 million mark. So right here, I have a description of what probability is. And so I'm just going to read it out loud for you. I know you can read, but I'm going to help you. So probability is a measure of how likely it is that an event will happen. So what are the chances of that thing happening? And probability is indicated by a number between 0 and 1. Some events are certain to happen. So think about like if you had a bag full of red marbles, you pick one out, it's certain to happen that you're going to pick out a red marble, while others are impossible. So if you have that same bag of red marbles and you pick it out, it's pretty impossible that you're going to pick a blue marble. In most cases, the probability of an event happening is somewhere between certain and impossible. So it's certain that you'll pick a red marble in a bag of red marbles, and it's impossible that you'll pick a blue marble in a bag of red marbles. So we're gonna look down here at what kinds of probability there are. So some events are impossible. Think about that blue marble. So there's no way you'll select a blue marble if there are no blue marbles. Some events are certain. So you're going to get a red marble if the bag is full of red marbles. Some events are classified as equally likely to occur or not occur. These events have a probability of 1/2. So events that are impossible will have a probability of 0, and events that are certain will have a probability of 1. If an event is equally likely to happen or not happen, it is a 1/2. Think about it like it's a 50-50 chance. You get 50% chance of getting either one. So that would be if you have a bag of red and blue marbles, there are 2 of each. You could either pick a red marble or a blue marble because there's the same amount of each. And then we start to get kind of into the more complicated things that we will focus on later, but will be introduced. Some events are more likely to occur than others. So if you have a bag of 3 red marbles and 2 blue marbles, there's more chance that you will get a red marble just because there are more red marbles. That is going to be greater than 0.5 or greater than 1/2. And then that same bag, you are less likely to get a blue marble because there's only 2, and that is less than 0.5. Those are unlikely to occur. So we'll go deeper into that as we go into this week. But that is what probability is.